Among the many tools that GEMS offers is tools to preserve anonymity, say of farmer households or just simply individual anonymity. There are several tools within GEMS. One of them that allows us to do this directly is the key field aggregation tool. We see here that if the first thing we want to do is select a file, and then you select the tool, in this case, key field aggregation. What you get is a table of the data and two important fields that you'll need to fill out. The first field is the key field. That is the field in which you're going to group things. In this case, administrative districts. I could group them by country, but everything in here is India, so that would be really boring. It would get totals across all of India. Or I could do it by city, and that's a different level. But in this particular case, I'm going to take admin districts like Punjab and so on. So that's my selection. And now it's a question of the quantitative fields. We have here two quantitative fields, and how am I going to deal with them in the aggregation? The first is hectares. I can choose from these various different tools in order to do my aggregation. And for hectares, it would make most sense if I wanted to sum up and know what the total acreage involved within each administrative district. Percent irrigation, on the other hand, doesn't make sense to take a sum. You would instead want to take more likely a mean. And so when you go ahead and hit aggregate, you get the totals. And here, again, notice we notify which you use the sum and the mean in these two particular cases. And another thing that's important to notice is these aggregate rows. This is the total number of rows that went in to make that aggregated total. This is very important for preserving anonymity of individuals. For example, if there was only one farmer household represented, then you're not really anonymizing at all, are you? You really want to make sure, typically, that there's at least 5 or more rows to preserve anonymity. So you have those totals. You can save them to a file that will save along in your workspace, or you could restart again and try the tool again.